amazing event. So they do a lot of decorations and branding. So this is a big paint company, Chutan. So they have the welcome penguin banners here, prop here. And tonight will be a gala dinner, annual party. So we have a lot of preparation here as well. So this will be a buffet dinner place. And then, wow, they transform the conference room into this temple concept. So this is like a gate of one of the Cambodian temples. And then here, as it is in the jungle, so somewhere it's a lot of stones and real plant, and there's a lot of work going on. Okay, so let's check it out, how the inside the room setup is like. Open the door. Wow. Okay, we have the bring-in lighting system. This is a Khmer Siem, Khmer traditional Siem, using the Cambodian scarf, Cambodian kroma, as a Siem for tonight. So we have a big LED screen, decoration side by side of the screen. Lovely, with again the jungle and natural thing. So that is DJ Mali, it's very famous DJ, and with a partner band. So they're discussing about how the after dinner party tonight. And we have also the tram, a lady tram, who are doing the gimmick to opening the event for tonight. Okay, and then from the AV teams, and that is our front of the house. But here mostly we don't have the front of the house, so just the side of the house team. Even the stage here, they have the Naga. Beautiful. There's a lot of discussing going on. Okay, artificial flame. Big drum. Okay, the DJ item. Wow. This is a Cambodian traditional instrument. Yes, soon the thing will be happening here. So we are excited about the event. Okay, stay tuned for more.